My dear ones, today I am giving you a story. I am giving you a topic of past tense, that is a story. And I think that is the first story of your life. Matlab, when you started taking your examinations. And the story is The Thirsty Crow. And you know very well what is the story. Very simple story, but very short story. And you have to speak it and you have to tell it in your own words without taking help from anywhere. So I think you are ready and I'm also ready. Let me see whether I have got some names. Yes, I have got Nishant. No, no Nishant. Oh ho, I have missed it. Very good. Oh ho. You all have given your names. Oh my god. It is so difficult for me to know who wrote the first 32, 37, 41. Oh ho, ये हो गया है Preeti. So I think first name is of Preeti. So yes, Preeti, come on. She will tell you the story in very short story. Try
Okay,
to
sir.
speak in short. Yes.
Good evening, everyone. Today our topic is thirsty crow. Once there was a crow. It was very thirsty, and went here and there in search of water,
Hmm.
but he could not find the water. So at last he reached in a garden.
Hmm.
There, there he was looking for the water, but he did not find water there also.
Hmm.
But he saw a pitcher there,
Hmm.
and he found that the water was very low in that pitcher.
Hmm.
So he thought a plan that how could how can I drink water from this
Hmm.
pitcher? So he had a plan. He thought a plan. He picked some pebbles from the floor, from the ground, and put those pebbles in that pitcher one by one. So as he put the pebbles in the pitcher, the water came up and he drank the water.
Hmm.
That's it.
Very good. Very nice. Shabash. Yes, the next name is of Anushka. Yes, Anushka.
Yes, sir. Hello, guys. Today, my topic is the thirsty crow. Once there was a crow. He was very thirsty.
Hmm.
He he went here and there in search of water,
Hmm.
but he could not find water. Then he sat on the bench of the tree.
Hmm.
Then he saw then he saw the picture. Uh, then he saw the picture
So ए पिक्चर
and
अभी तो पहली बार ही देखा ना
a
उसने.
picture.
हाँ, बोलो बोलो.
ठीक
हाँ.
है सर.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, go on.
There was a few water in the pitcher.
लिटिल वाटर.
Then
ए
he
लिटिल वाटर, फ्यू नहीं. वाटर इज
a
काउंटेड.
little
हाँ.
water in a pitcher.
आराम से बोलो, घबराओ मत, बिल्कुल. हाँ, आ जाएगा धीरे धीरे. हाँ. हाँ.
He thought he thought an idea.
Hmm.
He picked up pebbles and put them into the pitcher. The water came up.
Hmm.
He drank the water. Now he was very happy and he flew away.
ओके, वेरी गुड. शाबाश बेटा. और आराम से, है ना. यस सुशील.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Sushil and I am student of the Raman online interactive classes from B16 and also from B18. And today I am telling a story whose name is Thirsty Crow.
Hmm.
There was a crow and one day he was very thirsty
Hmm.
and he went here and there in the search of water.
Hmm.
But he could not get it. After some time he reached in the garden.
इन ए गार्डन.
Yes, sir, in a garden, and he saw a pitcher there,
Hmm.
and there was very less water in that, and and the beak of crow could not reach to water.
Hmm.
But he was very wise,
Hmm.
and he thought an idea.
Hmm.
He collected some pebbles and put put them into the pitcher.
Hmm.
The water came up, and he drank water and flew away. So that's it.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश। फोकस करो बस थॉट्स के ऊपर बस, और कुछ नहीं करना है तुम्हें, उमेश।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I am a student of Ramban Interactive Classes from batch 19. Today, my topic is a thirsty crow. Once upon a time, there was a crow. He was very thirsty. He flew in the sky here and there in the search of water, but he could not reach. He could not found a water.
फाउंड नहीं,
He
फाइंड।
reached
ये वाटर नहीं,
find
फाइंड
water.
वाटर। हाँ, आराम से बोलो, तसल्ली
Find
से बोलो।
water.
हाँ
He
हाँ।
reached in a garden. He saw a picture, but there was a little water. Crow does not drink water.
एक मिनट, कुड नॉट ड्रिंक वाटर, डज
Could
नॉट
not
कैसे
drink
आएगा? हाँ,
water.
टेंस का ही तो खेल है। हाँ,
सर पत्थरों को क्या बोलते हैं?
वो पत्थर नहीं, पेबल्स, कंकड़ होंगे, कंकड़। पत्थरों को तो उठाएगा ही
He
कैसे?
pre- he collect travels
कलेक्टेड,
and
कलेक्टेड
collected
सम पेबल्स,
travels
सम पेबल्स।
travels
हाँ, आराम से बोलो। हाँ।
and drop one by one in pitcher,
हम्म,
and he drink water and flew.
ड्रैंक वाटर
That's
एंड
it,
फ्लू
sir.
अवे।
That's it, sir.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ा टेंस का ध्यान रखना है ना बेटा।
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
टेंस का ध्यान रखना है थोड़ा सा। चलो, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है। यस, कम ऑन यामिनी।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi Sahu. Today, my topic is a story which we have been listening since our childhood. The name of story is Thirsty Crow. So, what was happened in this story? Once there was a crow who was very thirsty. One day,
बोल बोल।
he So he went here and there in the search of water, but he could not find anything. Suddenly he watched a pond in a garden. He went near it, but he watched the pond had so little water. The the crows the back of crow couldn't reach at the water.
बैक द
Um,
बीक। हाँ।
Weak at the water, he became so sad, but he watched some pebbles near the pond. The crow was very wise. The crow was very wise. He thought a plan. He collected the pebbles and dropped the pebbles one by one into the pot. The water claimed up. He drank water and flew away. Thank you, sir.
टेंस का ध्यान रखो, वर्ब फॉर्म में गड़बड़ कर रहे हो। ध्यान रखो, पास्ट का डिस्क्रिप्शन होगा तो क्या पास्ट की वर्ब फॉर्म आनी है। ओके, ध्यान रखो अच्छे से। यस, वैष्णवी।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18, and today my topic is a thirsty crow. Once there was a crow. He was very thirsty, and he went here and there in the search of water, and he couldn't find water, and suddenly he saw a pot in which suddenly he saw a pot, and there was very little water in it. So he collected some pebbles into the pot, and the water level became high, and he drank and flew away.
Okay, very good. ठीक है, बस कोशिश करते रहो. Yes, and now this is the name of Tanish.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Tanish. I am a student of Brahman Interactive Classes from batch 19. Today, my topic is a thirsty crow. Once there was a crow. He was very thirsty. He went here and there in the search of water. He reached in a garden. He saw a pitcher. And there was
Very little.
water in the pitcher. Very little water in the pitcher. He collected some pebbles and put into the pitcher one by one. He drank the water.
पानी तो ऊपर आ लो पहले. The water came
The
up.
water came up. He drank the water and flew away.
Very good. बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की. शाबाश. कोशिश करते रहो, बस अब रेगुलर चलेगा स्पीकिंग का प्रोग्राम हमारा. रौनक.
Once upon a time, there was a. Hello everyone, my name is Ronak. I read in Ramba Interactive Classes from batch 18, also batch 19. Today's my topic is a thirsty crow. Once upon a time, there was a crow. One day, it was very thirsty. He went here and there in the search of water, but he don't have water.
Didn't. Don't कैसे आएगा? टेंस का ध्यान रखना.
Didn't have water. At last, he reached into a park. He saw a pitcher, but there was very little water. The crowd thought they drop pedals into the pitcher. The water came up.
थॉट के बाद एकदम से डाल दिए उसने.
They thought, and he collected some peoples.
Peoples नहीं, pebbles.
And he dropped those peoples.
Pebbles. थोड़ा फोकस कर, फोकस. कितने लोग पहले बोल चुके हैं तेरे से पहले? हाँ.
The water came up. The crowd drank the water and
एक क्रो होता है.
drank the water and flew away.
Drunk भी नहीं, drank. थोड़ा ध्यान दो चीजों पे. हाँ बेटा. Yes, now Kabir.
Hello everyone, my name is Kabir. I am the student of Rambad English Interactive Classes from batch 18. Today's my topic is thirsty crow. Once upon a time there was a crow. It was very thirsty. It go here and there in the search. It went here and there in the search of water, and he saw a pot. He went there, but it had very few water.
Little water.
Little water. He saw some pebbles around him. He he thought a plan. He he collected all the pebbles and threw and throw in and throw in
dropped them.
and dropped them in the pot.
Hmm.
The water was came up
Was nahi, the
and
water came up.
the water came up. He drank it drank
Drank,
it
second form.
it drank it and flew away.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir, that's it.
ओके ओके, वेरी गुड. बस कोशिश करो, पास्ट पे फोकस करो, थोड़ा सा प्रेजेंट का तो है ही है. यस, नाउ आदित्य.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Aditya Donawat. I am the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is a thirsty crow. Once upon a time, a thirsty crow. One day he is very thirsty. He went here and there search of water. Last, he went a garden. He saw a pot there. He very small water in the pot.
Very little water. There से बनाओ. There was very
Yes,
little
sir.
water in the pot. हाँ, आगे बोलो, आगे बोलो.
Yes, sir. He thought a plan. He collected some pebbles
वेरी गुड, शाबाश,
and
बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हैं. हाँ.
he dropped in pot. Water came up. He drank water and flew away. Yes, sir,
वेरी
that's
बढ़िया,
it.
बहुत अच्छी, बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा, शाबाश. वेरी गुड. यस, निशांत. निशांत बोलो.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. Myself Nishant Fani. Today I am telling a story. A thirsty crow. Once upon a time, there was a thirsty crow. One day he was very thirsty. He was flying here and there in search of water. After some time, he saw a garden. In garden, he saw that there was a pitcher. He 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 went near the pitcher and he saw that there was a less water.
नहीं, less नहीं. There was very little water.
There was very little water in the pitcher. So he decided. So he thought a plan and he threw pebbles in a pot one by one. Then the water came up. He drank the water and flew away. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. और कोई नाम तो खत्म हो गया मेरे पास.
यस सर, मेरा नाम भी आया होगा.
कहाँ है? लिखा था क्या
सर
तुमने?
लिखा था.
कहाँ लिखा था? देखना, बताना कहाँ है तेरा नाम. बताना किसके आगे पीछे है. देखना देखना, फटाफट देख. बता किसके ऊपर है, किसके नीचे, कहाँ है, बताना.
सर लिखा तो था.
नहीं है ना तो, पर देखना तो तू.
सर ऐसे बोल दो.
बोल, ऐसे ही बोल दे, कोई बात नहीं है, पर तूने लिखा नहीं था. बोल.
सर लिखा नहीं, लिखा था सर, लेफ्ट हो गई होगी तो.
चल बोल.
Yes, sir. To the topic, a thirsty crow. Once upon a time, there was a thirsty crow. One day, it was very thirsty. It went here and there in the search of water,
हम्म
but he did not get water.
हम्म
It reached in a garden.
हम्म
There was very little water in it. That
क्या हुआ?
that
गार्डन में
was
पहुंच
very
गार्डन में पहुंच गया वो, फिर पूरी जिंदगी निकाल दी रट्टे रट्टा मारते मारते, ध्यान नहीं आ रहा गार्डन में पहुंच के क्या किया उसने? हैं? कम से कम 100 बार तो रटी होगी तुमने। गार्डन में पहुंच के उसने एक मटका देखा, ले तेरी हेल्प कर दी मैंने। फटाफट बोल अब इसको तू,
yes sir.
फटाफट से बोल। हाँ
It saw a pot there.
हाँ फिर पॉट
There was very
बोल बोल।
there was very little water. A thought of plant.
है देयर वाज वेरी लिटिल वाटर ए थॉट ऑफ प्लान, ये क्या हो गया? कहाँ पानी कम था? देयर वाज वेरी लिटिल वाटर इन द पिक्चर। फिर सेंटेंस खत्म होगा, फिर बोलोगे ना अब द क्रो थॉट ए प्लान। आगे बोलो,
Yes sir.
दिमाग चलाओ थोड़ा। हाँ बोलो। कितने लोगों ने बोला, तुमने सुना तो वैसे ही ध्यान आ गई होगी स्टोरी तो। खत्म करो ना फटाफट से।
Yes sir. It collected some pebbles.
पेबल्स, हाँ बोलो आगे बोलो।
Yes sir.
फिर क्या किया इकट्ठे करके उनको? सोच ही नहीं पा रहे हो?
Yes sir. One by one.
अरे तो ऐसे तो बोलो ना, ही ड्रॉप्ड द पेबल्स इनटू द पिक्चर वन बाय वन। कहाँ खो जाते हो तुम? अरे उन्हें कल इकट्ठे कर लिए तो मटके में डालेगा ना, फिर मटके में डालेगा तो पानी ऊपर आया। सोच ही नहीं पा रहे
Yes
हो?
sir.
पानी ऊपर आया, कौवे ने पानी पिया और उड़ गया। इट ड्रॉप्ड द पेबल्स इनटू द पॉट वन बाय वन, द वाटर केम अप, द क्रो ड्रैंक द वाटर एंड फ्लू अवे। ये लो, तुम तो बिल्कुल ब्लॉक हो गए एकदम, जैसे आगे दिमाग ही काम नहीं कर रहा तुम्हारा। ऐसे क्या? चलो ठीक है, हमने पूरी कर दी, कोई बात नहीं है। चलिए, और कोई रह गया क्या? थैंक यू वेरी मच।